Laging babae ang may diferensya kapag walang anak? Baka nakakalimutan nyo, may lalaki sa equation. Isang couple, 3 years nang trying magka-baby. Kompleto si girl, normal hormones, ovulation, at saka ultrasound. Pero si guy, ayaw magpa-test. Walang problema sa akin, sabi niya. So nagpa-check. So guess what? Zero sperm count. Silent ang issue, pero real. Male infertility accounts for up to 50% of cases of couples having a hard time conceiving. At hindi lang ito dahil sa sperm count. May epekto ang lifestyle, paninigarilyo, alak, stress, tight underwears, yes, totoo, varicocele, hormonal imbalance, at kung minsan, genetically low talaga ang quality ng sperm. Hindi mo ito malalaman kung titingin ka lang sa abs or muscle. Kailangan ng semen analysis para mas mabilis, mura, at life-changing. So the next time may magtanong kung sino ang may problema, remember, fertility is a team effort, and real men get tested. Dr. Carla here, your OBGYN online. Real talk lang, walang filter, just facts, care, and science.